Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn a new topic, okay, that is water in science. Okay, unit 2. So look at this picture children. This is a water. Look the picture of water over here children. Ripples are formed in the water. Water is very precious, isn't it, for us? Without water we cannot live. Okay, without water we cannot survive in this world. So why we are living in the third planet? Because water is available. Rest of other planet we don't have water, isn't it? Scientists are trying to get water in the moon, but it is right now not possible. Maybe in future. So right now we are talking about water. So water is very precious for us. So you should know about water. What is the advantages of water and what is the disadvantages of water? So for that reason we are going to learn about water. Okay, so you know what is a chemical combination of water? All those things you will study in higher grades, but right now you should understand what is water and what is the sources of water and how we can conserve water. All those things you are going to study right now, okay, in this class. So now here learning objectives, just look at here. Okay children, after learning this lesson, students, you will be able to understand the importance, okay, the importance of water. Okay, why water is so important for us? Okay, like air, we have to breathe. It's very important to us. In the same way, water also very important to us. Okay, we cannot survive without water. So after learning this lesson, you will know the importance of water. Okay, the second point is, and you will know what is the sources of water. Okay, how we will get water, how we are getting water right now and how we will get water in the future. Okay, what is the advantages of water and what is the disadvantages of water if we not get enough water, okay, for us. So these are points you are going to study in this lesson. Okay, now the method of preventing wastage of water. Okay, what are the method is there? So we can use these methods to prevent, okay, wastage of water. We should not waste water. Okay, try to conserve water as much as possible, but even though we should take care while we are using water, isn't it? And explain the methods. The next point is explain the method to conserve water. Okay, there are different types of method is there to follow to conserve water. Okay, conservation is very important children. If we are not conserve water, scientists are told we will not get water in the future. Then how the life is possible in this planet? So we should conserve water. Okay, this is a responsibility for each and every person. We have to conserve water. We know already there is a 70% water is there in our planet, but only 1-2% is for drinking water, what we are using for our daily purposes, isn't it? That 70% is useless water for us because it is a salty water. Ocean and seas water or salty water we cannot use for our daily requirement, isn't it? And the last point is you will be able to know about problems, okay, caused due to stagnant water. Stagnant mean water is not moving and therefore smells unpleasant. Because of this unpleasant smell, bacteria will produce and it will affect to our health. Because of this unpleasant smell, what are the causes, what are the problems will affect to us? So the problems which we will face if there is a not move the water. So these consequences you will learn from this lesson, isn't it?